Burger on Orange and Hollywood and Sunset Boulevard. That's Hollywood High School. Roosevelt Hotel up to the top. This way is looking west. So coming from Beverly Hills. It looks like it's very crowded again. This is probably one of the most busiest In-N-Out Burger in Los Angeles, California. Too busy, long line, waiting to get in. Too busy. Can I get a shot at your burger? Well, I'm gonna come back at night. That's the trick in Hollywood, Los Angeles, California. There's Hollywood Boulevard down there. What was that?
Would you like a french fry?
Two double doubles with cheese and one fry and a Diet Coke.
There's tomato in it. Yeah, so he went to, he actually legitimately, like, and Judd, like, the water running. I know.
I actually wouldn't be surprised if you have ADHD.
Oh my god!
I think people have I never thought
Good. Is your burger good? Is your burger good? Burger's good?
So good.
Are you from here?
I didn't go around here. Yeah.
Oh, okay. From where?
He's never tried it, and now he was like,
Yeah.
that, and I was like, oh, that's like a really famous California place.
Right.
And he's like, let's eat there.
Yeah,
it's
So,
great.
Okay, we'll eat there. Right.
Yeah, I'm from northern Michigan.
So, you're from?
So I am from northern Michigan.
Ah, okay.
Northern Michigan, way far northwestern tip of the Upper Peninsula, a small town called Ironwood.
And how long you been here?
I have been visiting California, what, 3 days? Oh. 3 days, like, yeah, 3 days.
Oh, well, welcome. How does this compare to White Castle's?
You know, with the burgers I've had at White Castle, I don't know, I think these take the win.
Okay,
Yeah,
all right.
Yeah, I think it has a better quality.
All right.
Better quality.
Well, nice meeting you. That's it. And see you around.
Yeah,
All right.
see you around.
Thank you. Okay, let me get this for the homeless. You want In-N-Out burger and a fries? All right. Thank you. Okay. No, well, I just got the fries and that's it. All right. But you can share it with him, right?
Oh, I don't need any.
You know what I mean?
Here, I'll drink. I just got there. Huh? Hold on, bro. Thank you, God bless you.
Yeah, you're welcome. You're blessed. Thank you, man.